Right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khalea, also known as Khalea Marie. And as y'all see with that title, you know how to double it because I already got this video posted on my channel and it did so well. I'm gonna give y'all big hearts to that because period. I have to come up with the updated one because you know, new year, new tricks, okay? So I'm gonna give y'all my secrets, everything I need to know to get the best knotless soft locks. I did go ahead and blow dry my hair and I did hot comb the roots. That's like a little tip already of how you get the knotless effect because your hair is gonna be really flat, as y'all can see. So that's two things you need already, is a blow dry, and if you need a hot comb, or you can really flat iron your hair too, but hot comb is just like the easier route if you don't want like no damage and stuff. Just hot comb the roots, and y'all see how the bottom's like more fluffy but the top is really laid. That's kind of what we want. Let me show you the things we're going to be using today. First, I have these soft locks that I got from Amazon a long time ago. This is the brand name and everything. I'm not too sure about the length and all that because these are like really old. I've never used these. They give me like 28-inch vibes. This is what they look like, but they're gonna end up being 32-inch when I dip them in hot water. So I have 3 packs of this. 21 locks come inside one bundle, so I think that's like 63 locks in total. Next, this is the hair I'm going to be using to wrap it with. Next, I have some curly hair. I know this wasn't in my last one, but I want to like add little pieces of curly hair into it, make it like boho soft locks up, I guess. So this is what it looks like. It was just a pack of curly hair that I had in the color 1B. All this stuff is in the color 1B. I don't know exactly what type of curly hair this is. So now, first things first, we're gonna go in and do our braid down. This is the gel I'm gonna be using. This is really good gel. I use this for like my knotless, all that. You just want it to be gelled down really well. You need a comb. You need a rat tail comb, and then you also need a crochet needle. So you're gonna go in and just do your braid down. It's pretty simple. You want to take out your edges too, but like I usually do that once I get to the front. But I'm gonna go through and braid my entire head. I'll be right back with y'all because that's gonna take a really long time if I record that whole entire thing, and I don't really feel like I need to see how I braid my hair down. It's pretty easy, just single little braids, and I'm gonna do them in like medium length, I guess, because I don't want them to be too small and I don't want them to be too big, so like medium. So I'll be right back once my hair is all the way braided down. Hey girlies, so I know I look kind of like a mess right now because my edges is like, what in the world? But I basically just took out my edges when I braided it. The braid down is all the way finished. As I can see, it's giving flat. It's giving what braids, okay? So I just have it in a ponytail right now. This is what it looks like. I didn't braid all the way down, but yeah, it's definitely giving real flat, like, yeah. So now I'm about to go in and dip my braids. I'm gonna put this back in a ponytail. I said dip my braids. I'm about to dip my locks. While I was braiding, I went ahead and put like a pot of water on the stove. So this is what they look like before. Crinkly, if that's even a word, but just not it. Like, we don't want this, because especially because when you wrap in the top, it's gonna be real straight, then out of nowhere just start curling up. Like, no, it just hit different when you dip your locks, just like how you dip your braids. It's the same concept. So this is the before and there's the after. Y'all can see the total difference between them. Like, dip y'all braids, okay? Dip y'all braids. It will make a total like complete difference, okay? So we gonna get started onto the little soft locks, knotless soft locks tutorial. Okay girlies, so y'all saw how I y'all see how I dip them, but it's pretty simple, like how you would dip your own braid. It's just easier, you know. You have to dip it all the way to the top so the whole thing can be straight. So that's what I did. Now we're gonna go on and start the process. The ones in the back I'm probably just gonna explain because I can't really show y'all too much. I'm more visual learners. I'm gonna do a close-up when I get towards like the front of my head for a better like visual of how I do it. So I do have my lock right here. I do have my crochet needle. It did take me quite some time to put these braids in. Most of the gel is probably like dried up and stuff, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel at the roots. I'm also gonna take a piece of my wrapping hair just so like I don't have to do all this stuff while I'm, you know, doing it. I just whip it out. You're gonna only take like a small little piece, nothing too big. That is a good enough piece right here, and you're obviously gonna put it in half. To open the lock, you're gonna take your braid and pull it through so it can like, you see that? Slide. Now you're gonna take your crochet needle, put it through the root of your hair, take your braid, put it through the crochet needle so you can pull it through. And you're gonna just make it like meet up like that. So you want it to be this all right here is my hair, then the lock starts right here. Taking the wrapping hair, I'm gonna just crochet that through the root of my hair. Make sure it's in half. Like this is it long, but you're gonna take it through the middle, put it in half, crochet it like this. And you want the doubled side to match up with where your braid is. Once you got it, you want to start wrapping. You want to wrap really tight at the root so it can give that knotless effect, and then continue on down. See how skinny that is? It looks knotless. It's not bulky. You can't see the loop at the top. Just like that, you have your knotless lock. This is what you want. You want it to be skinny like this. You see how little that is? It looks knotless. I'm gonna continue this all the way through my head. You just basically repeat this process. Save you some money, girl. Get you some short inches, just dip them, and now you got length. I'm gonna speed the rest of this process up. Y'all can vibe out, listen to some music while I do the back of my hair. I'll come back and give you a more of a visual look of how to do this again.
I wanna let you know that you don't have to go.
Todd, can you play that again?
I wanna let you know that you don't have to go.
Should we go?
Nothing that you want, nothing that you want. Nothing that you want, come and take a walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. What you need, I got it right here, baby. What you need, baby, come and share my phone.
Okay, girlies, so we made it to like the front half. Basically, I think it's like 20 something braids up here. So this is where I'm gonna show y'all the visual, more up close and personal of how to do this. It's currently 8:36. I'm not in like no rush or anything. I'll take the one braid, pin all that up, take my gel, put it on the top, not too much. Now I'm gonna take my lock, open it up, take my braid and push it through the lock like this so it can slide, you know, the end of my braid, and crochet it through my roots. See the end right there, and it's just like you can slide it. I put it back, the crochet needle back at the root, take my wrapping hair, double it, and then pull it through. Make sure it matches up with where your hair ends. Now you can start to wrap it pretty tight at the root so it can give that knotless effect. And y'all see, it's giving knotless.
Come and share my phone. Baby, come and share my phone. Come and share my world. Share my world. It's something that you want. Come and take a walk with me. Walk with me. Come and take a walk with me. Come and take a walk with me. Nothing that you want, you should make me your. Nothing that you want, you should make me your. Nothing that you want, you should make me your. Nothing that you want, you should make me your girl. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your home. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, got it right here, baby.
Bounce, here we go.
Todd, can you play that again?
So I'm walking on it. We in the club and it's cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the beer. I'm in the bag and I got it in the oh yeah.
Beat it up like, beat it up like, beat it up like, beat it up like, beat
Club and it's
it up
cups full
like,
of jealous.
beat it up like,
Bag and we
beat it up
mugging
like.
the beer. I'm in the bag and I got it in the Drinking so late.